Welcome to Sully. Welcome to Sully.
Welcome to Sully.
Welcome to Sully.
Welcome to Sully.
Welcome to the Sully District, a great place to live, work, and raise a family. Created after the 1990 census, the Sully District comprises the area of western Fairfax County, running from Herndon to Chantilly to Centerville, with many great neighborhoods in between. Sully combines the rich history of Centerville with the modern amenities of urban areas like Chantilly, along with parks and recreational opportunities, and a proximity to the nation's capital just 30 miles away. Community spirit and diversity abound for the more than 136,000 people who live here, 41% of whom speak a language other than English at home. This diverse population includes a thriving Korean community.
I love the Sully District because it is a community that celebrates and embraces its diversity. It's a celebrated part of our community, and we enjoy being around each other and learning each other's heritage and culture and differences and similarities.
What makes the Sully District unique and diverse is the Labor Resource Center. This Labor Center is the only labor center in Virginia that has a physical location for members to come and take advantage of our resources and be placed with jobs. I think that is one of the coolest, neatest, and most useful things that this community really needs.
The Sully District, in particular Westfields, is a leading destination for Washington's top employers, including several Fortune 500 companies, as well as many small businesses.
For me, what makes Sully District unique is how it encompasses two worlds. One being a city and also having that small town feel, especially with small local businesses.
The Sully District is a great place to live and work because of all the wonderful businesses, religious institutions, and other organizations in this area. I really think the people is what makes the Sully District unique and special. Working together, really everyone in this district is focused on collective impact.
For those who live and work in the Sully District, Chantilly's Commonwealth Center is a go-to destination for dining and shopping. This suburban oasis includes a Wegmans, retail, restaurants, and wellness, enhanced by outdoor plazas and walking paths. It caters to both residents and the workplace population, which numbers 12,000 within a 1-mile radius. Sully Highlands Park is one of many popular destinations for outdoor recreation, with athletic fields such as baseball and cricket. The park is conveniently located near the site of the new Sully Community Center. Once completed in summer 2022, this 30,000 square foot facility in Chantilly will serve as a multi-generational hub for the surrounding communities. It will be the new home of the Sully Senior Center, as well as provide a broader array of programs for individuals of all ages and abilities, including a sensory space for people with disabilities. Currently, the Sully Senior Center, located nearby, caters to adults 50 and over who have come to pursue fitness goals, hobbies, learn new skills, make new friends, and have fun. Also popular is Cub Run Rec Center, a family-friendly destination located in Chantilly. This is more than just a gym. The center provides aquatics and swimming programs for all ages, as well as a huge selection of classes for the whole family, and camps and programs for kids. With over 188,000 students enrolled at 198 schools and centers, the Fairfax County Public School System is one of the largest school divisions in the nation. Sully's highly rated schools serve a diverse student population in grades pre-kindergarten through 12. Our schools are a gathering place where teachers creatively challenge and inspire young minds, and parents actively engage in their children's futures. Ox Hill Baptist Church is one example of the many places of worship in the Sully District. Located in Chantilly, it serves the area through Bible study programs for youth and children, ESL classes, prison ministry, Silver Thread Senior Group, and many other services. The Rajdhani Mandir Hindu Temple, also in Chantilly, is a sanctuary for the Hindu community in the Sully District and beyond. The Mandir celebrates all major Hindu festivals and sponsors various cultural programs with reputed artists, as well as holds religion classes for children every Sunday. The Stephen F. Udvar-Hazy Center in Chantilly is the Sully District's connection to the Smithsonian's National Air and Space Museum. Together, these museums hold the world's largest aviation and space collection. The Udvar-Hazy Center is located south of the Washington Dulles International Airport's runways and contains rare artifacts like the Space Shuttle Discovery, an SR-71 Blackbird, and the Enola Gay. Kathy Smith represents the Sully District on the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors and is your link to local government. She was re-elected Sully District Supervisor in 2019 and has served on the board since January 2016.
Our office is the interface between the community and any questions, needs, problems that they have. So if somebody in the community contacts us, they have an issue, there's stormwater problems in their yard, they see a stop sign knocked down, they just have another concern, their neighbor's lawn is too high, they can contact us and we can get them to the right service either in the county or if it's a state contact that we can find that information. Sometimes we contact those agencies on their behalf, other times we give them the information. So we're here to be that welcoming neighbor, to help you with your interface with the community and to answer any questions you have. So one of the areas in transportation, as we know in the western part of the county, we really don't have that many bus routes. The county right now is working on a study for different bus routes. They just completed the one that will go up to the north to the Silver Line. And we're going to be having a new community center up in that area, and it's going to have a women, infants, and children center and a health center in it. And so those are the proposed bus routes to get people down from the Centerville area up to that way. And now we're in a study looking at bus routes that go towards Vienna and to the east. So then we want feedback from people to know where we can provide more buses for people to be able to get around.
Contact Supervisor Smith at sully@fairfaxcounty.gov and sign up for the weekly Sully newsletter at fairfaxcounty.gov/Sully. We have it all in the Sully District. A great location, a diverse community, thriving businesses, a top-rated public school system, a variety of recreation and entertainment options, and so much more. We hope to see you soon in Sully.